How to log into Wells Fargo account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to log in into your Wells Fargo account for online banking in just a few steps. So without any delay, let's just get started. So first thing first, you can visit Wells Fargo website. Press that, you can open up and type in Wells Fargo in your browser and you'll be finding this very first link, which is the official one, which is wellsfargo.com. So you can just go ahead and tap on it. Once you reach on the home page, you can look up for the sign-in option at the top of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. And here, what you can do is just go ahead and enter up your username and your password and click on next, sign on. And that is it. That is how you log in into your Wells Fargo online account. You may have to enter up a 6-digit code if there is any kind of verification method on. And that's how you log into Wells Fargo online banking. So if this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment if you need anything else. So thank you.